years.
It had been about a year, and the last time was Norton before that.
Uh-huh.
Maybe I caught Louis C.K. too at the Improv. But, to go out on purpose, we're going to go to see Dice tonight. Like, we're going to go see a show.
Like on purpose.
Yeah, and me and Norton and Bobby Kelly and Anthony.
Okay, yeah, come on. Hello? Breckenridge Lane and Hikes Lane. Somebody shot through the intersection and T-boned a red Ford Taurus. It is a gray sedan. Both drivers are white females. The one in the gray sedan's out and talking. The one in the red car looks like she's pretty messed up. Yeah, the one that got hit. The lady in the gray car ran the stoplight. And they're out in the intersection and everything's blocked off. Thanks.